Good evening, class 10. How are you all? My namaskar to your parents. Due to this lockdown, we are unable to conduct classes. But by the order of our principal sir, we have organized some videos which will be helpful for you to understand the chapters. I have got many queries regarding light chapter. I hope some of you are still doubtful regarding this chapter and you just want one more explanation for this. So I am going to give one explanation on light chapter right from the beginning. Once again I am telling you, if you have any queries, you can send these queries to the school and we will be ordered to make your doubts clear. Without any hesitation, you can send your queries. But before that, so here we are going with light chapter. Chapter light is chapter number 5, page number 35. Since I am doing video of this chapter, so I will go line by line so that all the students of class 10 can understand each and every word of this chapter. Okay. Point 1. Reflection of light at spherical surface. The most common mirror is the plain mirror we use in our home for combing hair and for doing makeup. Yeah, we do all of us, we have one mirror at home so that we can get ready for school or go somewhere. Before going somewhere, we comb our hair when we do some little bit makeup and all, so we do need a mirror. But there are other types of mirrors. People often use shaving mirror. You know shaving mirror, I don't have to explain that. You have noticed cars, scooters, motorcycles are fitted with rear view mirrors. You know what rear view mirror is, because all these mirrors are fitted in the scooters, cars, and these mirrors are used to see which car or which vehicle is coming from behind, right? You can see that. We have already discussed all these things, so think that this is a revision class, okay? And you are free to ask me anything, okay? In some cases, you have probably used the spoon and steel bowl to view the reflection of your face in it. जब हम बर्तन खरीदते हैं, नए स्टील के बर्तन हो तो आप देखना उसमें हमारा चेहरा दिखाई देता है सबका ही, तो ये भी मिरर जैसा ही काम करता है. All these types of mirrors are broadly classified as spherical mirrors. So this kind of mirrors are called spherical mirrors. Spherical mirror is a reflecting surface made by silvering a piece of glass which is a part of a regular hollow sphere. I can take one glass to show you. This is a regular glass. Okay, this is not a mirror. This is a glass, transparent. So it is said that, listen to me, you have probably used the spoon and steel, okay? So spherical mirror is reflecting surface. So is it reflecting? No, it is not reflecting. It is transparent. You can see me through the glass. Yeah, you can see me, right? Okay. So that glass will be a reflecting surface, means when light falls on the glass, that light will bounce back, okay? The light will bounce back and it will not enter on the glass. When the light is entering into the glass, means the glass is transparent. But when a layer of the glass, or you can say one side of the glass, is painted with silver lining, or you can say it is polished with silver lining, then suppose if we polish this surface with silver lining, then inside surface will be a mirror. और if we polish it from inside, अंदर से अगर उसको सिल्वर लाइनिंग से पॉलिश कर दे तो बाहर से वो एक ग्लास बन जाएगा जिसमें हम अपना चेहरा देख सकेंगे. ओके, सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड स्पेरिकल मिरर. ओके, ये कहा गया है इट इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ ए रेगुलर होलो स्फीयर. स्फीयर किसे कहते हैं? फुटबॉल वो एक स्फीयर है, होलो है क्योंकि उसके अंदर गैस भरा हुआ है. तो मान लीजिए आपके एक होलो स्फीयर है जो ग्लास का है, उसको आप अगर आप हाफ करके काटेंगे तो उसका जो दो बाउंस पार्ट मिलेगा वो होगा स्पेरिकल मिरर. आप अगर एक स्पून लेते हैं तो स्पून से भी, मैं अभी आपको स्पून से भी दिखाऊंगी किस तरह से स्पेरिकल मिरर का इनसाइड पोर्शन और आउटसाइड पोर्शंस होता है. क्योंकि स्पेरिकल मिरर में आप पढ़ेंगे किस तरह से वो कॉन्वेक्स मिरर होता है, किस तरह से वो कॉनकेव मिरर होता है. This definition of spherical mirror can be illustrated by figure 5.1. Figure 5.1 is this figure. You look at this figure, okay? In this figure, a hollow sphere has been drawn. If the left part of the hollow sphere is silvered on the outer surface, it forms a concave mirror. I am telling you. See, this is a sphere. Okay, let us cut it into two pieces. This is a part and this is another part. अगर आप इस जो ग्लास का पार्ट है इसके अंदर के तरफ सिल्वर कर देंगे, सिल्वर पॉलिशिंग कर देंगे, तो इसके जो बाहर वाला पार्ट है वो आईने की तरह चमकेगा, तब उसको हम कहेंगे कॉन्वेक्स मिरर। इसलिए क्योंकि लाइट यहाँ से आके इसमें गिरेगा और बाउंस बैक होगा इस तरह से। अगर आप इस पार्ट को लेते हैं और इसके बाहर की तरफ आप सिल्वर पॉलिशिंग कर देते हैं, if you polish it, the outer surface with silver, then what happens, the inside portions will look like a mirror and then it will be a concave mirror. What is concave mirror? Concave mirror is the mirror in which light enters as if in the cave. Okay, and this is the convex mirror. Why? Because in this mirror the outer portion is the mirror and the inner portion has been polished. Inner portion is silver lining, that's why the outer portion is mirror. And in this mirror the inner portion is not silver lining, the outer portion is silver lining and the inside portion is mirror. Okay.